South Chungcheong Province, South Korea. Asan City, home to Hyundai's premier export-focused manufacturing facility. Every Tucson Hybrid's journey begins with certified hot-stampable high-strength steel, arriving at Asan's smart facility. Hot stamping technology heats steel to 900 degrees, creating ultra-high-strength body components. Hot-stamped components achieve 1,500 megapascal strength, providing superior crash protection. Ultra-high-strength hot-stamped pillars form Tucson's parametric safety architecture. Tucson's bold geometric panels begin as precision-formed steel, reflecting Hyundai's parametric design language. The body-in-white station joins over 4,000 structural welds, creating Tucson's parametric foundation.
Laser welding creates stronger precision joints for Tucson's complex parametric body architecture.
Hyundai's AI vision system verifies 900 quality checkpoints per body structure.
Hyundai's 3-wet eco paint system reduces VOC emissions by 40% at Asan facility. Electrocoating provides 10-year corrosion protection, penetrating every cavity and hidden surface. AI-optimized paint robots achieve 96% transfer efficiency using electrostatic application.
Electrostatic atomization creates extraordinary depth in Tucson's distinctive abyss black finish.
Machine learning refines robot paint patterns, ensuring identical quality on every Tucson produced.
Triple Clear Coat provides UV protection and exceptional depth for Hyundai's premium finishes.
Infrared ovens cure Tucson's paint layers at exact temperatures, optimizing molecular adhesion. AI deep learning systems inspect paint quality across 900 checkpoints simultaneously. Asan's dedicated hybrid battery clean room assembles Tucson's lithium-ion polymer energy systems.
The HEV battery's 1.49 kilowatt-hour pack begins with individually tested polymer cells.
The PHEV's 13.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack provides 33 miles of pure electric range. Hyundai's battery management system monitors every individual cell, optimizing performance and safety. Every Tucson battery pack completes full validation testing before receiving Hyundai quality approval. The 1.6-liter turbo engine's precision components are verified before hybrid system integration. The 44.2 kilowatt electric motor mounts to the turbo engine, creating Tucson's hybrid unit. Tucson's complete hybrid powertrain delivers 226 combined horsepower, seamlessly integrated. Available H-Track AWD adds intelligent rear torque distribution for confident all-weather performance. Advanced AWD hybrid integration technology. The complete hybrid powertrain weighs 430 kilograms, integrating with the N3 platform. Laser positioning ensures hybrid powertrain integration within 1 millimeter tolerance.
Computer-verified torque tools simultaneously tighten powertrain mounts to exact Newton-meter specifications. Orange high-voltage cables follow Hyundai's dedicated protection pathways with triple insulation verification.
Hybrid-specific MacPherson strut tuning compensates for battery weight, maintaining Tucson's dynamic balance. Rear multi-link suspension engineering specifically accommodates Tucson Hybrid's battery packaging. Electric power steering integrates with Highway Driving Assist 2 for semi-autonomous capability. Brake-by-wire technology coordinates regenerative and friction braking for optimal energy recovery. Interior assembly integrates Hyundai's sensuous sportiness design with advanced hybrid technology. Multiple acoustic layers create Tucson Hybrid's remarkably refined cabin environment. The dual 12.3-inch panoramic display installs as one seamless curved glass module. Hyundai's digital interface displays real-time hybrid energy flow and comprehensive connected services.
Tucson's available eco-friendly interior uses recycled and sustainable materials without compromising quality.
Available Napa leather seats with heating and ventilation provide premium comfort in all conditions. The panoramic sunroof floods Tucson's cabin with natural light, enhancing sensuous sportiness atmosphere.
Available Bose 8-speaker audio system is acoustically tuned for Tucson's specific cabin dimensions.
The floating center console integrates wireless charging, drive mode selector, and HT-Rack terrain controls. The flat-bottom steering wheel integrates capacitive controls for ADAS, audio, and hybrid drive modes.
Hyundai BlueLink provides always-on connectivity, enabling remote control and over-the-air updates.
Windshield installation accommodates forward cameras, requiring factory calibration for ADAS accuracy.
Structural urethane creates watertight seal, contributing to N3 platform body rigidity.
Door panels integrate soft-touch parametric surfaces, ambient lighting, and speaker grills as one module. The completed cabin reflects Hyundai's sensuous sportiness, with premium materials and hybrid innovation. Remote smart parking uses ultrasonic sensors, enabling parking from outside the vehicle via smartphone. Tucson's front fascia conceals daytime running lights within body panel cut lines for dramatic effect. Hidden daytime running lights illuminate within body lines, creating Tucson's unmistakable parametric signature. The complete LED system combines hidden DRLs with high-output projector beams for superior visibility.
Hybrid-optimized tires balance fuel efficiency with year-round safety performance ratings.
Computer-controlled star pattern torquing ensures safe and even wheel clamping force on every Tucson. The Tucson Hybrid stands on its own wheels for the first time as final assembly approaches.
Smart Power Liftgate uses kick sensor for hands-free access, enabling convenient loading.
The connected LED rear light bar creates Tucson's bold parametric identity from every angle. Sequential turn signals animate from center, creating dynamic parametric rear lighting signature. Automated precision filling ensures exact fluid levels for optimal hybrid thermal management.
Hybrid activation follows Hyundai's strict multi-step safety protocols with sequential verification.
Hyundai's diagnostic system programs all control modules and calibrates hybrid system strategies. Hyundai's AI inspection verifies 900 quality points using machine vision and laser scanning.
Human quality specialists verify panel gap uniformity, complementing AI systems with expert judgment.
Every mechanical operation completes 30-cycle testing, confirming consistent premium quality feel. Complete hybrid electrical verification tests all 70 control modules, from HT-Rack to infotainment. EV mode verification confirms silent electric operation up to applicable speeds with full energy recovery. HT-Rack AWD testing verifies intelligent torque distribution between front and rear axles.
Highway Driving Assist 2 calibration ensures semi-autonomous system achieves centimeter precision.
Remote smart parking verification confirms autonomous maneuvering within centimeter-level precision. High-pressure water testing validates Tucson's sealing against severe storm conditions globally.
Interior water verification confirms complete protection of all seals under extreme pressure conditions.
Regenerative braking testing confirms energy recovery calibration at multiple deceleration rates. The final quality gate confirms every Tucson Hybrid meets Hyundai's global export quality standards. Digital quality records link every inspection result permanently to each individual Tucson produced. Every Tucson Hybrid completes a personal driving evaluation on ASAN's dedicated test facility. Professional test drivers verify hybrid transition smoothness, HT-rack engagement, and acoustic refinement. The window sticker confirms Tucson's 38 miles per gallon combined efficiency certification. Protective film application safeguards Tucson's parametric paint finish during global export shipping. Climate-controlled transporters carry Tucson hybrids to Incheon Port for global export distribution. From Incheon Port, Tucson hybrids begin journeys to customers across 170 countries. Multi-point securing systems protect every vehicle during international maritime transport. Carrying Hyundai's parametric design excellence, each vessel departs Korea for global destinations. Hyundai dealer pre-delivery inspection adds final quality verification before customer handover. Transport film removal reveals ASAN plant's extraordinary abyss black finish in perfect condition.
Under showroom lighting, Tucson's parametric design language and hidden DRLs create immediate impact.
Hidden daytime running lights emerging from body panel cuts create Tucson's unforgettable lighting moment. Hyundai specialists ensure owners understand Tucson's hybrid technology and parametric features. Tucson's silent hybrid startup signals the beginning of sophisticated parametric electric mobility. 226 combined horsepower delivers effortless performance from Tucson's hybrid system. Remote smart parking allows precise parking maneuvers from outside the vehicle using BlueLink app. Available HT-rack AWD Tucson achieves 44 mpg city for confident all-weather efficiency.
Tucson PHEV achieves 80 mpge with 33 miles of pure electric driving daily.
Real-world Tucson hybrid owners consistently achieve 38 miles per gallon in daily driving. HT-rack intelligently distributes hybrid power, providing confident traction in snow and ice conditions. Highway Driving Assist 2 enables confident semi-autonomous highway driving with lane centering. Hyundai BlueLink enables remote climate preconditioning and comprehensive vehicle monitoring. Tucson Hybrid enables every journey with efficiency, confidence, and parametric design presence. Available eco-friendly materials using recycled content extend Tucson's environmental commitment inside. Smart Power Liftgate provides hands-free access during everyday activities with kick sensor convenience. Practical family technology, ASAN plant's renewable energy integration, supports Hyundai's carbon reduction manufacturing commitments. ASAN's closed-loop water recycling system minimizes water consumption in production operations. Hyundai's Manufacturing Innovation Center develops next-generation production methods for future hybrids. Thousands of dedicated ASAN workers produce Tucson hybrids with pride in global export quality. Tucson hybrid owners save over $1,200 annually versus conventional compact SUV alternatives. Hyundai hybrid battery warranty and reliability support confident long-term ownership experience. Tucson Hybrid offers HEV and PHEV variants across 10 colors, matching every lifestyle and preference.
The Tucson Hybrid badge represents Hyundai's commitment to bold design and accessible hybrid efficiency.
EV mode produces zero tailpipe emissions, contributing to improved urban air quality for all. Available premium trims offer heated rear seats, ventilated fronts, and panoramic sunroof sophistication. HT-rack AWD provides year-round confidence, whether navigating summer rain or winter snow. As dusk settles over ASAN, Hyundai's export powerhouse continues its global quality mission. The Tucson Hybrid empowers every journey with bold parametric design and intelligent hybrid efficiency. From Asan Plant's smart factory on Korea's western coast, engineered for 107th countries, designed with